is a beautiful Thursday morning, and we are here on the final day of the swim pond build in Matawan. You can see we've let things sit here for a week. We haven't been here so that we could get the dock right there in. I had a subcontractor come out and put in the dock. And so we're going to be doing some rock work around there today and getting grade around the dock set. I have just a couple of finishing touches to do, but look at that, how clean and clear that water is. Over the last week, that wetland filter has done its work and it's looking great. So really excited to see that, having come back here now. Waterfall is looking amazing. You have the beach here that's been used already by the customers. They said they've been swimming already and jumping off the dock. So really love how this has turned out, and yeah, we're gonna get at it and get things finished here. These jets are put in so that whatever that falls into the pond, no matter where it is, it winds up migrating over into the flow of water from the waterfall to the intake bay, and that goes into the intake bay so that it can be easily removed. We don't want, leaves and other, floating organic matter to sit there and then sink and decay, because that's going to fuel algae growth. The whole idea of an ecosystem pond is to keep them balanced. So the plants and the bacteria in the biofilter, the wetland filter in this case, so those are absorbing nutrients, and then the any of the organic waste from the fish, from the decaying leaves, that's going to add to that. And so that balance of absorption and waste load, the whole point of the ecosystem pond is to figure that out and keep things in balance so that the algae doesn't grow out of control, so that you have a nice, clean, clear pond in which to swim in or see the fish and just enjoy in general. Hey there, Mike here with AW Water Features. I am driving home from Matawan, and we just completed our swim pond build. Just wanted to share with you folks the conversation I had with the customer, why I do what I do, and I think, why the guys work for AW Water Features. We're talking about the pond and how her dad came out just the day before, when it was almost, mostly complete. He just said, wow, I had no idea it was going to be this nice, which is a great compliment. We love to hear that from the customer. She just said that it exceeded my wildest expectations, and that's really, what more can you say? What an amazing compliment. It's gonna be such an impact on her life, relaxation at any point when she's at home that she wants, to be able to sit next to it, hear the sound, jump in for a swim. So, that's really why we do what we do, and we love affecting people's lives that way. And yeah, and we'd love to affect your life that way. If you don't have a water feature, please contact us, and we'll get the ball rolling. We can talk about the possibilities and go from there. Please feel free to comment below and contact us that way. You can call us, you can email us, visit the website awmwaterfeatures.com. Have some amazing photos and videos of our work on the website. But I'd love to have you like and share this video, and we'll see you in the